Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to purchase crypto on crypto.com. So to get started with how to purchase crypto, so first thing to do is to download the crypto app of your choice. So once you do that, open the app and log into your account. So if you don't have an account, tap on sign up and follow the registration process. Then after that, you have to complete your KYC verification. Then this setup is required to comply with the regulatory standard and to enable a full access of the app features. Then after that, you have to add payment method. So tap on buy on the app home screen, then select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then under the cash, tap on add payment method, then choose the preferred method. For example, you can choose the credit or debit card. Then you can also choose bank transfer, Apple Pay, Google Pay. Then follow the on-screen instruction to complete the setup. Then after adding the payment method, tap on buy again, then enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to purchase, then review the transaction details including fees and estimate delivery time, then tap on continue, then confirm the transaction using your passcode or biometric or authentication. Then after that, you have to confirm your transaction history. So once the purchase is complete, you will receive a confirmation notification. Then you can also view your transaction history by tapping account, then click on transaction history, and that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.